Hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Vincent. Today I want to tell you a very simple tip that will make your videos sound 10 times better if you're not already doing this. So yeah, for this you won't have to buy a new microphone and spend like $500 on a very good professional mic. You can just use a Rode Videomicro that I'm using, but you will have to reposition it because it's on my camera, because you know that's how most people use these Rode microphones and these camera microphones, but you actually have to buy like a boom stand, which is something like this, and you have to put your microphone on this because it will sound so much better. Let me show you. So now this is how the same microphone sounds with just only putting it closer to me. Like now it's in a boom stand, as you can see, and I bought this boom stand for about like $15, and also an extension cable from Rode for like $10. So for $25 I was able to make my sound quality so much better. And yeah, you can actually hide it from the frame so it looks more aesthetically pleasing. So that's actually how simple it is to make your microphone sound so much better in room settings. So yeah, you will have much less echo and just a better quality sound overall. So yeah, I think it's absolutely worth it to buy these accessories for your microphone, and then you won't have to spend like $500 on a professional microphone just to make YouTube videos. I'm not saying at all that microphone gear is not worth investing into. I am sure that when I will have the money to spend on microphones, I will do for sure, but for now it just sounds so much better than just putting this microphone on my camera. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like on it, and also please subscribe to the channel because I want to reach 750 subscribers by the end of this summer, and for that I need your help. So again, I will see you on the next one. Until then, bye. Pro tip for those who are still watching: if you put pillows everywhere in your room where there's a lot of surface where there isn't like anything that's absorbing sound, then if you put pillows there, the acoustic of the room is going to be much better. So make sure to put pillows everywhere where there isn't a lot of soft surfaces, and also in corners.